Hi, I'm Joe with Gramophone. You know, Technics makes some of the best turntables that we represent and at a number of different price points, Bill, and we love that. But Technics hasn't offered us something lately on a little bit more the entry level of the premium turntables. And Bill, I'm told you can change that today.
Yeah, we have some great news for you, Joe, and thank you for joining us here at CEDIA. This is our launch event for this new product, and it's called the Technics SL-50C. And it's our latest edition. It's our newest and most affordable turntable from Technics since our resurgence back in 2015. The first turntable we came out with in the new line was 2016, and that was a $4,000 turntable. So this has trickled down technology from that. In fact, this turntable has Coreless direct drive technology that we adopted from the SL-1200 Mark VII and SL-1500. So these are turntables much higher in price that we've adopted the basis of that drive system and those specifications and performance is now in this turntable, which is priced at $899.
So this well is under $1,000.
Thank
you.
It's a super value, and you're looking at the new terracotta color edition of this. We have three different versions. There's a black version and there's a silky gray version to match our loudspeakers, and that we have a new active loudspeakers that they match up with very nicely. This turntable, in addition to that Coreless direct drive technology, has the traditional S tone arm from Technics, and it has interchangeable head shells so that we can easily adapt other cartridges. It comes with an award-winning Ortofon 2M red cartridge.
We sell a lot of 2M
very high quality
red.
With an elliptical stylus. And what's great about the 2M series is that the cartridge weight itself can easily be adapted so you can go to a 2M mono or a 2M 78, and you can have your turntable ready to adapt for mono records or 78 records. This turntable does have 33, 45, and 78. A lot of times under 1,000 price range, you don't usually see 78 RPM.
Exactly.
So that's a nice feature. So interchangeable head shells will give you a lot of flexibility. And the turntable has an anti-skate mechanism where you don't have to hang one of those little weights. It's very easy to set up the turntable. All you need to do is put the counterweight on and put the cartridge in, which is calibrated at the factory and comes from the factory calibrated. So all you do is plug it in, set your tracking weight and your anti-skate, and you're good to go.
Bill, that strikes me as a great feature because so often that little weight held by that little tiny thread, it can break or other things can happen. So this will be easy for the consumer to get set up so that it's really ready to rock and roll.
It's easy to get lost in packaging too.
Oh yeah.
So, and if you move it, things like that. So we like that. We've always used that type of system. As I mentioned, the controls are very simple. It's power on, start, stop, 33, 45, 78. I can give you an idea. It comes with a nice high quality felt type mat.
And it's going to do a good job of bleeding off static charges?
Absolutely. And
nice.
And you can change those. This is a turntable that's very easily upgraded rather.
Yeah.
If you wanted to tweak it to your heart's content, I can tell you all the different things you can do. But this is the heart of the turntable that we're keeping that Coreless direct drive system. It's a single rotor Coreless direct drive. This is the single rotor magnet that's attached to the platter, and it's a aluminum die-cast platter, which you see these ribbing marks here. They're not actually there for looks. They're there to keep this platter rigid and not have any vibration in operation. And very simply goes right on to that.
I was going to mention, Bill, you know, the fact that you're doing your Coreless motor at well under $1,000 kind of blows me away, because obviously I haven't heard this yet. This is the first time that we're seeing this, but I'm thinking this has got to be a pretty high performance table for the money.
Absolutely. The specifications are the same specifications that we have on the other turntables in terms of wow and flutter and in terms of signal to noise ratio. So everything that Technics has been known for is built into this. It's a digital control mechanism that we're famous for in our other models. That it's not the Delta Sigma system, but it is the digital control that we've adopted in the 1500C and the 1200 Mark VII. These are all, you know, the 1200 Mark VII is a workhorse of the industry for the DJ, pro DJ, and the 1500C is really an award-winning turntable we've had for audiophiles. So the other thing that makes this very convenient for people is that it has a built-in, we talked about the cartridge, but it has a built-in phono preamp. So the phono preamp can be switched on if you don't have a phono preamp in your equipment, and it can be switched off if you do. And when it's switched off, it's actually taken out of the system so that it's not being powered, it's not being interfering with the system at all. So there's a little switch here where you go from phono, if you have a phono preamp, and you're going to connect it with a phono ground, or you use the phono preamp that's built in, which is matched to this cartridge. So very flexible in that respect. And we've done a lot of research with this cartridge and with our phono preamps, and it's a super match.
You know, the fact that you've got a phono preamp built in is actually really good for us because so many of the customers have receivers where a phono preamp was not included, especially the multi-channel receivers that are doing 5.1 or 7.1 kind of thing. And the fact that you can then switch the phono preamp off if you've got a high quality external phono preamp, that's a great feature.
Yeah, and if you notice, it's very easy. The cables aren't hardwired, so you can upgrade cables if you want. We include very fine cables with it, but you can upgrade to a better cable if you like, or you can upgrade your AC cord to a higher quality cable. And the footers, isolation footers, are adjustable. So first and most important thing with a turntable is to level it.
Yep.
And you can do that very easily with the 4 footers. And if you felt you needed more isolation, you can replace those with aftermarket footers. You can replace the platter mat if you wanted to. Very tweakable kind of turntable. It can accept much higher price cartridges. The tonearm has been redesigned. It's not using the traditional gimbal or VTA system that we have on the better models. But again, we have to reach a nice price point, and where we felt $899 is a very successful price point for us. And this redesign has some other benefits too. So we still kept the quality in terms of high sensitivity in a tonearm relates to how it tracks a record and how easy it can detect a warp or a eccentricity in the record. So it knows what's coming. It can handle higher modulated grooves and things like that. So sensitivity is an important part of our tone arms, and it's something we've always worked very, very diligently to get that quality. So this has a, it's a slightly different tone arm, but it's going to give you what you're looking for in a turntable in this class.
I was just going to comment that all that upgradability in a turntable that's at this price point, I mean, let's be honest, if a person really has the money to get into the better Technics turntables, they'll probably do that. But this is something that over time, you can upgrade the platter treatment, you can upgrade the power cord, you can upgrade the interconnect cables, you can go to a better phono preamp if you want to, go to a better phono cartridge if you want, even the more shock absorbing, higher end footers. This is a tremendously upgradable cable, but people can get into the quality that they want out of a Technics now at a price that's, again, well under $1,000. That's really exciting.
And if you think about that vinyl enthusiast that wants to get into the hobby, they may not do all those add-ons, but they might want to change the cartridges if they have a wide selection of records, and they have records that are, from the 50s or 60s that are mono, or they have 78s, and they can easily make that adjustment in 10 seconds if they do it with a similar weighted cartridge. They don't have to recalibrate everything. And with interchangeable head shells, that gives you that advantage, where if you don't have interchangeable head shells, that's easily an afternoon of adjustment and adjusting overhang and screwing cartridges in and things like that. So we really like that capability. And remember, the key to it is that Technics performance and that quality is all behind that Coreless direct drive motor, and that's something you may see a lot of direct drive turntables on the market nowadays because we've made it, I think, more popular than ever. But they're not Coreless direct drive. It's really rare to find any other Coreless direct drive. So this is the full Technics concept in a much more affordable package. So,
yeah. Thank you, Bill, and thanks to all you, the consumers who are watching this video. We're super excited about getting Technics quality at under $1,000. We hope you are too. To learn more about Technics and all of our great brands, just go to gramophone.com. And if you haven't so far, please like and subscribe. That helps us out a ton. Click that little bell icon so you're always notified of our upcoming content. This is Joe with Gramophone, thanking you again, Bill.
Thank you, Joe.
We hope to see you at the next video.